All right, guys, so for example 3, once again, we have the equation of 6x squared minus a 30x minus 84 equals 0. Once again, our goal in this case is to solve for x. So first thing you want to go ahead and check, guys, is check if there's any GCFs, any numbers in this case that can divide into the 6, the negative 30, and the negative 84. And in this case, guys, I do recommend you guys to always check with the smallest number that you're given here. So smallest number here is a 6. So 30, if I do 30 divided by 6, I get 5. And it's actually negative 30. And if I do negative 84 divided by 6, we get negative 114. Or negative 14 in this case, not 114. So in this case, we are going to be factoring out a GCF of a 6. And if we do that, we have the following. So 6, and I have 6 divided by 6 is 1, and we're left with the x squared. Negative 30 divided by 6 is negative 5. Bring down the x, and negative 84 divided by 6 is negative 14. All right, now from here, guys, we are going to focus on working on the diamond method here. And we do want to go ahead and identify A, B, and C. A in this case, guys, is our leading coefficient, which is 1. B in this case is negative 5. And C is negative 14. So in this case, I have A times C on top, and I have B on the bottom. A times C in this case, guys, is going to be negative 14. B in this case is going to be negative 5. So two numbers that multiply to the top and add to the bottom, in this case, would actually be a negative 7 and a 2. Once again, negative 7 times 2 is negative 14, and negative 7 plus 2 is going to be a negative 5. So from there, check with A. Since my A value here is equal to a 1, we're going to go ahead and write our binomials here. And I still have the 6 in front, which is my GCF, x minus a 7 times x plus 2. And all of that is going to be equal to a 0. Now, from here, guys, we're going to go ahead and make only the expressions that have a variable equal to 0. So these two are the only ones. So I have x minus 7 equals 0, and x plus 2 equal to 0. So let's go ahead and solve here. I'm going to go ahead and do the opposite, which is add 7. And x in this case is going to equal 7. On this side, I am going to be subtracting the 2. And in this case, x is going to equal a negative 2. And that there, guys, would be our answer.